everyone, and welcome back to another video. And as usual, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you forgot, my fan code is called RedAC. If you ever want to join, you are more than welcome to. And today we're going to be going to Bio Labs. So yeah. Bro, where did he go?
These guys.
All right, let's head to Bio Labs, guys.
Yo, I can't.
Oh my
I
god.
can carry you. I can carry you. I
Yo,
can carry you.
we left them in the dust.
Yo.
Yo.
I can carry you. Get
Nah.
on.
It's fine.
Guys, wait up. I'm gonna get a back.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello, good job.
I did a fight.
Yo, where did the other ones go? Wait,
I can feel the green stuff up my
guys,
booty.
where are you?
We're going to the. I can feel the green stuff in my booty.
I can
Hey,
go get them. I can go
Yo,
get them.
where's the other guy? You're fine. Why? There you are.
Hello, good job. Hello.
Guys, let's go.
Tiny box.
Toxic sludge. Oh, chicken.
Get to the ceiling.
What's up?
Yo, run.
I died.
You already did.
You guys, get to the ceiling. There's big worms. What?
Last code was 1, 2, 3, 4, but they changed it. Oh, how helpful.
What?
Last code was 1, 2, 3, 4, but they changed it.
Yo, which way is the way? Oh, it's this way. Guys, it's this way.
Guys, help me! Run, guys!
Bro, where did they all go? Yo, guys! Guys! Yo, where did they all go? They all went the wrong way.
Coming through the parkour.
Yo, guys, come on. Yo. Yo. Did they go this way? Oh, wait. Parkour? Oh.
You guys?
Yo, where are they?
I don't know.
Yo, are you guys beyond the river right now?
Here. I am beyond the parkour area.
So the river.
Hello, good job. Hello.
Oh, where'd the others go?
There's a monster.
I don't know.
Guys, we need to go. We need to follow them.
Landmines!
No, don't touch it. I know it looks tempting. Just don't touch it. Yo, did you guys, Cyan and White, did you guys go past the canopy? Open it. Bro. I am so dumb.
We're literally
No, he died it. No. Good job, no.
Yo, no. Wait, it's gonna crush you.
Run!
Okay, go.
Hello.
Get to
Yo.
the ceiling.
Oh, you thought. You actually thought, though. Ow! Oh, not again. Guys, help! Dude! Jester!
Where's the worm?
Jester, revive me!
I
The
gotta
worm's
find
gone. The worm's gone. Just please revive me. Revive me, or I'm reporting you to the Discord. I'm kidding. I won't actually. No,
Alright,
don't
wait.
go. Don't go. Don't go.
Go, go, go.
Yo,
To the
where?
ceiling.
Ow! Oh, it didn't hurt me. Oh, there they all are.
Where are you?
Guys! Bro, did you eat one of them? Bro, you ate one of the worms.
Bro, my guy's
No,
right
Jojo!
The thing
Hello!
wouldn't kill me.
Hello, Jojo! Hello!
I am not Jacob.
Yippee!
But
Bro, we have to do all this parkour, bro.
Facility access. Security.
Yeah.
Oh, good thing.
I'm so slow.
I wasn't turned on.
Ooh, green door!
Open.
Buddy, you clicked that like 5 billion times! It's freaking open!
Guys, get in.
Hey!
Let's go. Oh. Go.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! No! White guy! Oh wait, hello white guy! Yay! No, stop it! Stop burning everyone!
What the?
Everyone, get to the end!
Woo! You closed it! Whoa! No!
Open it. Yo, do you guys see the machine? Where's the machine? Yo, where's the machine? Do we have to like, what? Where's the machine? What? What?
Wait, who's here?
Yo, guys, where did the machine go?
I don't know, don't ask me.
I think it's in here.
Hello?
It's just a hard drive in here.
Wait a
Eric,
minute, who's on this YouTuber? What the heck is this?
Yo, I'm the YouTuber. I'm right. Grenade! Guys, where did the machine go? Is it not spawned in yet? It might be glitched.
Yo guys, over here.
But we gotta join a different.
Whoa!
DNA samples!
DNA samples? Jinx!
Wait.
We did not say that at the same time, though, bro.
Wait! Wire!
Whoa! We need to get to 4.
I got it.
Huh. DNA! Ooh. No!
You want it? You can't
Yeah.
do it again.
Yeah!
Yeah?
There's one right here. Oh!
There is.
Wait, I want to connect. I've never done this before.
It won't let me. It won't let me do the green.
Supposedly.
You need to hold on.
Prototype.
Wait, someone hold this DNA sample.
I'll hold it.
You guys, I'm cooking.
Whoa. Yay! DNA.
Here you go. Here you go.
What?
What do we? Yay! What do we do with the DNA?
I think we're supposed to put it in the machine, but the machine's not here. Machine? Oh.
You guys,
Whoa. Guys, I think it's glitched. Huh? Hands. Heck nah. What was that? Was that Poco 19? Yo, guys, where are you all?
the area where you get those test tubes.
So over here, I suppose. I think. Boo. But hey.
This is mine, buddy.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay.
Yo, so you're a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
What YouTuber are you?
I'm Red AC. I'm pretty small, but yeah. Hey,
Ooh,
no,
Red
don't lock me in. Ooh.
Yeah, if we go to different server and find a machine, we can get some plushies.
Okay, well, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video, and because the machine's glitched, but hopefully we'll do it again later.
Wait, stop it! We gotta give them content, bro. We can't be those clickbait YouTubers.
You're right. Huh. Everyone, go to where the machine normally would be. We're gonna server hop.
Yeah! I saved us all. Guys, go to the machine!
We're server hopping down.
Everyone, go to the machine and then go to the other door and then teleport back. We're server hopping. Baby. Guys. Everyone go to the teleport machine and teleport back. Yo, we're the only ones that teleported back. Ooh, shiny.
What? We gotta give them fine content, though.
Yeah.
We cannot.
Yo, have you guys made it back yet?
No. Aw. It's stinky.
Uh-oh, stinky.
Get over here! Better store these.
Let's see. DNA vial, blah, blah, blah. Wait, can you put this in your stash? You can. Can you put it in the bag? You can. But can you put it on your hips though? Cannot.
You can.
Wait, you can? The DNA vials?
Yep. I think.
No.
Nope.
Yo,
What about back hips?
are we the only ones in here?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, yeah, they all left. Okay, well, let's server hop then. Let me just get a bag. Everyone watching, you guys are lucky. We're not the clickbait YouTubers.
Wait, what do you mean YouTubers?
Oh,
Wait, am
you
I
know
a
them, but-
fish?
Okay, I'm just gonna do random, and then you're gonna copy it.
Wait,
okay.
I can't.
The
do that.
code is FR.
Wait, I got an idea. How about I friend you?
Oh, yeah, that would be a lot easier.
Yeah.
Alright.
Real hard.
Okay, let me
Alright.
make sure that I'm on. Okay, yep, I am online. And now. Okay. Now, make
the
sure to join.
content we.
You guys are lucky. Okay, I'm not trying to sound rude, but yeah. Anyway. Hopefully you join soon. I need to give him the cheese touch.
Content we do for YouTube.
There you are. Yeah. Okay. Let's head to Biolabs.
Wait, I gotta get my test tube.
Oh yeah. Cause we need to.
Wait, we gotta get the test. We gotta get those DNA samples, man.
Oh yeah. It's in my bag. Don't worry. So let's head back.
Hold on, now I gotta go for it. So, be right back.
Wait, what? Oh. Don't leave me. No. Don't leave me. I might have to do this one solo, guys. I don't want to do it solo. Pick up the VR. Please, speak to me. One little thing of life. Don't leave me. Please. Don't do it. No. He's gonna leave me. Come on, please. Pick up. Pick up. Please. I'm gonna have to go to someone else in another public. Please. I'm back. Oh. Please. 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 Don't disconnect. Don't disconnect. Wait, does it still think that he's still here? Don't disconnect. Don't disconnect. Don't disconnect. Please. 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 No. Okay. Oh. That means that I'm gonna have to go get someone else. So, BRB. Alright everyone, I'm back and I got someone from a public server, so we're gonna go back to Biolabs. Alright bro, are you ready?
Hello. Do
I
I
think
pick
you
my
might
stuff
need
up?
grappler.
Alright, I'll get my grappler gear ready.
Here, you can have this. Oh, okay.
I already got
you
my
also-
grappler.
Hello? Red, I'm back.
You're back too! You're back! Oh, thank God.
So is it fixed?
I don't know. I just joined a random code. Wait, no, I didn't.
Your viewers
no,
can call me Void Egg.
Okay, so yeah, all right. Hopefully it got fixed. If not, then we might have to do a random code. So
Or we might just do a...
anyway, okay, guys, let's head back to Biolabs. Also, guys, sorry about this being a long one. I'll try to trim it in CapCut, but yeah.
Let it be, let it be, let it be.
No. Yo, bro, what even happened?
I don't know, honestly.
Oh.
Guys, I'm
Oh wait, I forgot about him. Oh,
I know what happened.
wait, what?
Leave the game. I know what happened. I had to leave the game because I used the teleporting thing, and it broke, and I got soft locked. So I had to leave the
Can you
game,
up or down?
and then I had to go and I
go
got
down.
into a hacker lobby where a hacker
Alright,
kept
I'm going-
killing people. And then I went into another lobby,
Yo,
and then there was
I'm
another hacker, and now I'm
fine.
here.
Now what do I do from here?
Finally.
Okay.
It was
Okay,
hell on earth.
let's just wait for the other guy. He should be down any minute.
Yo, did you get
Yeah, bro, are you down yet? Oh, there you are.
What is this area?
There's Big Booty
Bio
10 the third. Come on, guys. Ah! Ducky. Aw, banana. Big banana. Big banana. Big banana.
Chicken. Nice chicken. Go over here. Oh no, he's so. What is that? Oh, they added that worm. Why did they ever add
Let
that
it
worm?
be. Let it be. Let it be.
Yo, where did he? Wait, is Blue even still? Is Blue even still in here?
Almost died. I don't know, but there's a tree.
Yo, Blue. Oh. Blue, where are you?
What? What?
Yo, I don't know. Yo, what happened to him?
I heard ticking. I hear chicken. I feel like we should go.
I don't really want to leave him behind, but okay.
I don't think he's even alive at this point. Wait.
Yeah.
I hear grappler. I hear grappler.
He just talked on the watch. Yo, bro, where are you?
Yo, dude, I'm up here.
He's there.
Yo,
I'm over here.
there you are. Okay, come on. We need to head to Biolabs. Why did I just sing that?
Yo, dude, I think I'm gonna stick to being on the ceilings.
Okay. Tung, 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 sound.
Oh, I almost got boom boom. No! 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 No!
Guys, no!
Revive me!
Here. Come here, you little monkey! I
Oh,
smacked your cheeks.
better.
What? Wait.
Better butter. The better butter. Yo, where is he?
Better.
Yo, bro. No, don't go. Run. Go. It's gonna close on you. Oh.
Is there something wrong with the water?
I guess. Oh, I thought this. Ah!
It's
So much chicken.
Fire ring cell.
Don't look at the worms!
Dude, wait for me. Wait a second.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, please go away. Yo, stay. He died. I'll lead him away. Over here.
Alright, dude, but are you sure you'll be good after that?
I'm sure. Alright, they're away. Just don't look at him.
Come on, to the radio one!
Get on! What? Why did I just say get on?
Wait, dude, were we going backwards?
I don't think we're going
Forwards.
backwards,
We're going forwards. This is the right way.
Don't stay.
Wires.
You're welcome.
Wires.
Going where?
Yes,
No, I'm in the middle of a match with some friends.
yes. 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 Yes.
Oh, sorry,
yeah.
y'all. Oh, yeah!
I'm sorry.
I swear, if the machine's not here again. Please, let the machine be here. Please, oh, please. Yo, guys, over here. Blue, come on.
Dude,
Just don't touch the water. Don't touch the water. Oh my god.
I'm gonna.
What happens if you touch the water?
You die. You die instantly.
Check
I
your-
touched
check
the
your-
water.
Dang.
Wait, why is your grabber a different color?
What?
I don't know.
What is this?
But,
You have to buy the golden bundle.
okay.
Yo, dude, can you buy those and can you buy me a separate one for me?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, that's it. No!
Wait.
Bro,
Wait.
we left him on.
He was just talking. He was like.
Blue, get in!
I'm still here.
Okay. Tung, 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 sound.
Come on to the radio. And it won't be long.
Come on, to the radio.
And it won't be long. Hit the dumpster. Open up.
It's not gonna be there, watch it. Oh, come on!
What are we doing at BioLab anyway?
We're
We need to
trying
test
to
these
get
DNA
cheese.
samples. Oh, of course.
Oh, there's crowbars.
Yeah, we need a server hop.
Why?
Because the machine's
Yeah,
not
we just
there.
Wait, there's supposed to be a machine there?
Yeah. Are you kidding me? Yeah.
What do you mean there's no machine here?
Oh, you see the machine? I don't.
Oh, there's a machine right here. It says organic recycler practice
Okay.
saving.
Well, this
There's
video's
even
getting too long,
input
so
thing.
okay, everyone. I will do this alone next time. There will be a part 2, and so yeah. I'll see you later. So, and I hope that you enjoyed the video.
And don't forget me.